In this video, we will walk you through how to request a retainer fee using DepositLink. To request a retainer fee from a buyer, navigate to your Active Deals page and click on Request Payment for Sale. Select Buyer Agent Retainer Fee from the drop-down menu. Next, add a property address associated with this payment, or select Add Property Address later if a property has not been identified yet. After, click on Continue. Enter the retainer fee dollar amount. You can request up to $250,000 per payment. Next, set a payment deadline for the buyer. We'll send up to 3 email reminders until the buyer makes the payment. Now choose a payment destination for this payment. Your finance team already assigned a company bank account to this workflow. Click on Continue. You can request the retainer fee from one buyer or split the payment between multiple buyers. Now, enter the buyer's contact information and a memo and click on Continue. This page is optional. Click on Continue. Confirm the information you entered is correct and click on Request Payment. Request successful. An email has been sent to the buyer with a request for payment. Click on Copy Link to text the request to the buyer from your phone. Click on the Transactions tab to track this payment in real time. The status of the payment will update automatically on this page until the payment clears. The status will update to pending once the buyer makes the payment. The payment will clear in 1 to 2 business days. Receipts and status alert emails will automatically be emailed to the buyer. You can download a receipt anytime by clicking on the 3 dots next to the payment. Once a property has been identified, you can add the property address from the Transactions page or the Deal Detail page. To add the address, simply click on Add Property Address. Enter the property address associated with the payment. Smarty will auto-populate the address as you type. Now click on Save and Close. The property address has been successfully updated on the Deal Detail page. The property address has also been added to the payment on the Transactions page. Thank you for using DepositLink.